10 best proven natural wound cleaning solutions. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prepped and Ready. Today we're diving into a natural approach to wound care. If you're like me and prefer to keep things simple yet effective, you'll want to know these 10 proven natural solutions for cleaning wounds. They're not just effective, they're also items you may already have in your home. Let's jump in and see how these natural remedies can help keep you safe and healthy. Running water and gentle soap. First things first, cleaning with running water and gentle soap is your go-to. This basic method clears out dirt and bacteria, prepping the wound for healing. It's simple, but it's essential. Do you have a go-to soap or method for initial wound cleaning? Drop a comment below. Let's share some tips. Sterile bandages. After cleaning, protect the wound with a sterile bandage. This keeps out contaminants, helps prevent infections, and supports faster healing. Sterile bandages are a small but crucial part of wound care, so keep a few in your kit. Do you pack extras in your first aid kit? Let us know your must-have supplies. Antibacterial ointment. An antibacterial ointment can be a lifesaver, helping to prevent infection and speed up healing. Many people use store-bought ointments, but natural alternatives like honey can work wonders too. Have you tried natural ointments? I'd love to hear about your experience. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's fantastic for wound care too. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce pain and support tissue repair. If you grow aloe vera at home, you've got a natural healer right there. What's your favorite use for aloe? Share it with us. Honey has been used for centuries to treat wounds. It acts as a natural antibacterial shield and can help speed up tissue regeneration. Look for raw or manuka honey for the best results. Who else keeps honey as part of their first aid kit? Let's get a show of hands in the comments. Turmeric paste. Turmeric paste is another ancient remedy with strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The curcumin in turmeric supports healing, making it a powerful addition to your natural wound care kit. Have you used turmeric for wounds before? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Garlic's allicin compound makes it a natural antimicrobial powerhouse. Just apply minced garlic carefully to avoid irritation, as it can be strong. For minor cuts though, garlic can provide natural protection. Anyone else a fan of garlic? Drop a comment on your favorite use. Coconut oil. Coconut oil not only moisturizes but also has antimicrobial properties. It forms a barrier over the wound, keeping it clean and promoting faster healing. It's another multi-purpose item to keep on hand. Do you use coconut oil for any other survival purposes? Share your ideas below. Healing foods. What you eat can also support wound healing. Foods high in vitamin C, zinc, and omega-3s like leafy greens, fish, and even bone broth play a big role in your recovery. It's all connected. How you fuel your body impacts your healing. Got any meal ideas packed with these nutrients? Let's hear them. Traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine offers a holistic approach to healing, including herbal remedies and acupuncture. Herbs like ginseng and astragalus are known for their healing properties. Ever tried TCM for health or wound care? I'd love to know how it's worked for you. And there you have it, 10 natural solutions for wound care that really work. Each of these has been used for generations, proving that sometimes nature's solutions are the best. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite natural remedy in the comments. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.